Industry accounts for 39% of all global energy-related CO2 emissions. Factories all over the world need to meet growing demands while simultaneously curbing CO2 emissions. We can achieve both by implementing a mix of energy efficiency, system integration, and green energy supply. In China, 2 Danfoss factories are pioneering different solutions to lower emissions and increase productivity. At Danfoss Haiyan factory, smart monitoring technologies improve energy efficiency. Heating and cooling technology turns waste heat from the factory production processes back into the plant, delivering energy savings to the air conditioning systems. In the Danfoss Wuqing factory, a central heating station recovers waste heat from air compressors using software to adjust the heat supply according to the outdoor and indoor temperature to lower carbon emissions. The improved heating and cooling infrastructure across the 2 factories have led to a 24% increase of heating energy productivity in 3 years. Heat recovery projects have contributed approximately 15% of these results, saving over €300,000 in energy bills in the last year. In addition, Danfoss will build the first zero-carbon industrial park in Haiyan to take it all the way. Millions of existing factories around the world have the same potential to be drivers of the green transition by using energy smarter. Carbon zero factories and harvesting surplus heat from the factory production is all possible today. Imagine the potential when this is applied globally at scale.